Ah, yang pa po eh. Yeah, good morning.
Look, vlog
Pa.
Pa, kanibutang ko eh.
Lugi mo na kayo mo kumata.
Dato ni Dodong, dili mo pa'y pamangan.
Ay.
Ayo. Let's start our journey.
Wake up to the sun.
Dito lang sa Pikas, Day.
Oh, it's my first time to vlog here. And hello, we're our family, and this is our first time to be bonding in the far away. Kalain kami,
Sige, time check.
Time check for 51.
Time check.
And now, we're here at sa Davao 11. Jacob. We're going to Jinsan, yay!
Let's go.
To the sunlight high. Feel it in the morning star. Sky is blue without a doubt. Today's the day that hits the spot. Taylor Swift song.
Huwag na sa drama ba?
Hello! Ay, gapan ni Kiza. Oh. We are in Ola Air. Ola Air. Ola Air. 100 feet above the ground.
Very factual.
Kaya na kasi ng mga tanong dito, they have plenty of plants in here. Feel like you're in a garden at the same time. You are in the ocean.
Lalong dito. Dito sa lalong. Dito adyo ka di. Dito ka malipay dari sa mabaw.
Masyado lang maraming nagbago sa panahon ngayon.
Okay.
Hindi na tulad ng dati.
Dito
Nasira
sa
ng
lalong.
aking childhood.
Oh.
Kayo.
Pananay ko ang anay.
Paanay ko lang.
Kompleto.
Kaya rin dito na.
Ha?
Okay na kayo dito na.
Gani.
This is my mama and my papa. And I am
I'm so proud.
You're so proud.
Yes. See my lolo is swimming. And under the age.
Under the
Under the age.
under the age. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Just watching you from shade across my own. Daydreaming about you and me, kissing the rain just like the movie. You're so cool, you're color back on the tan. The girls get crazy, the kids don't scream. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You're so cute, that's quarterback in the stand.
Hi guys!
Get crazy, you wanna be a dad. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You don't know me at all.
Ano lagi na nagkuhan? Enjoy lagi ka na nagsupulbida.
Dita, masalong kami.
No cellphone!
Makurat ng puntaan ako eh.
Ay, sila na kayo? Babay na babay.
Bye, bye, Inday.